ocean. So when you touch the pen to one of these, as you'll see, as many more thousands of years it'll read a story from the page for you. There's nothing on the screen to watch, but you can listen to it. Settled in small villages and later built big cities. So you guys will all have a chance to come on over and play with the Magic Pen and listen to how the books in your story and how the pages relate to this map. Because now you can put the pages to the actual countries.
Okay, hold on a minute. All right. So Alana, I want to ask you though to come and show us how you do it, and maybe Alana, have you tried this out for a little bit with Mrs. B?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have a favorite place that you like to? Hunter.
There.
Do you have a favorite place that you would like to start with?
I like to travel to the ocean.
Okay, so I'm going to have you, Alana, you want to go ahead and stand up and push in your chair. And I have the map here, and Mrs.
I'll show you how it works.
Great. Show us where the Atlantic Ocean is. Find it up there. There's South America, and there's Africa. So if we move over in the center, we'll find that ocean. Can you find the marker that's right underneath it? There it is. Here's your Magic Pen.
You can listen to the story while I flip on it.
Okay.
During the 1700s, settlers continued to come in to the American colonies. Scottish, Irish, and Swiss settlers came too, in search of a better life, wanting to have land of their own and enough food to fill their hungry stomachs. Their hopes for a future gave the immigrants courage to face the long and difficult sea voyage. Early sailing ships took months to cross the Atlantic Ocean. The living space was very cramped, and often there wasn't enough food or water. Stormy seas made shipboard life even more miserable.
Who thinks they know why I put that tag there in the middle of the ocean? Why would I do that?
Because when they cross there, it's an ocean, it has a name to it, and it's special.
Yeah, the ocean doesn't look that big, does it? Not on a map, but it's really big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many remember when we read about that part in the story?
Can I
about how long it took?
Can I call someone?
All right, hands down. All right. Hold on, Alana. Do you have any questions or comments about how the map works? We'll let Alana try to answer the questions for you. That's kind of a Mrs. Kreider question. Okay, we're going to start to use it right now and try to give as many of you a chance to use it this afternoon, but we're also going to have it in our classroom next week too. Okay, and I'll let you know when.
Donovan.
Okay, Adam is right beside me. Adam has his hand up.
Adam.
Do you just click on one of the red things?
Yes.
Okay.
Donovan.
Donovan doesn't have one, but Matt does.
Matthew.
Who's gonna hold that?
You know what? I will either hold it or I will set it neatly on the floor, but everyone would have to be very careful not to step on it. Because it's a lot like an iPad and a lot like the iPods.
It's a window machine.
It is a window machine, yes.
And windows can break, and we don't want that to happen, right? Okay.
Can I call one? Call someone? Kylie.
Wait, which one is the window machine?
This one, let me show you. It has this one.
That's the window machine, remember?
Yeah, this window machine, if you step on it, it will break. But if you tap on this map here, you can see everything.
Yeah, this computer is called a Windows computer. That's why it has a little flag on it. It's like an iPad, sort of.
Okay. Well, because of time, boys and girls, we're going to take one more question, and then we're going to start to have you come back to the carpet. We have Olivia and Donovan, Steph and Nick all had their hands up, but we just have time for one. Alana.
Olivia.
Is that the map of the whole world?
Yes, it is. If you listen, guys, I'll tap on somebody.
Go ahead,
something.
try one more so we can.
And then everybody will listen.
Okay.
To this.
Not that one?
No.
There's one up here in Asia.
Asia, yeah.
Okay.
Soon other pioneers moved even further west, all the way to California, where Chinese and Mexican immigrants had already settled. These early Chinese settlers helped to build the first continental railroad, and when it was completed in 1869, westward travel increased. The United States had become a vast nation, spreading from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean.
Okay, so boys and girls, as you're listening, let the words you're listening try to paint that picture in your mind of what's happening, and listen for some of the key words. I heard on that last one the Atlantic, and I heard Pacific. So as you're listening, try to find some of those words on the map. Atlantic and Pacific, those two words are both on here on this map.